and share with us his experience and knowledge so that we can come up with good ideas to improve healthcare. We would like to talk about rural healthcare, and the first thing that strikes us is the unhygienic environment and pollution, including urban regions. Allergies is one of the most serious health problems arising in the last decade, but the challenges are huge in terms of awareness in this area. To explore more on this, we have Dr. Gautam Modi, allergologist from Patna, Bihar. Please put your hands together for Dr. Modi.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. August gathering. The best part is that I speak the first in this conclave. And rural healthcare challenges and suggestions is what being asked to talk about me. A very big divide in our country, nearly 7.7 billion population, and as quoted to me, about 1.5 billion coming to our country, and the state which I represent, Bihar, it has got a population of 10 crores, and mostly about 80% going into the rural areas. To start on a good note, as Ms. Thakur just told, lifestyle diseases have taken a major role. So that's what rural sector is still blessed, that it has not been evaded by it. My mother is a gynecologist, my wife is a gynecologist, so there has been a marked spurge in onco cases as far as rural areas is concerned, because they lack the primarily investigative techniques to rule out malignancies in women, and with a very simple doctors could make it out, pap smear technique. One of the few things I noticed when I happened to go to a camp about 15 days back, that in spite of facilities being generated at the urban centers, yet it is a very uphill task to make it reach to the rural sector. That is technology, working people, doctors. Unfortunately, we have always been on the receiving end in the recent days, and the tendency of doctors not to go to the rural areas. One area which I suggested, I come from a family of politicians also, my uncle being the Deputy Chief Minister Bihar, which has been implemented 6 months back, that health centers are nowadays being brought near the highways so that a better reachable facility is there. Snake bite is one thing in which fortunately rural areas is expertising, unfortunately we are not expertising. And one very important part as far as allergies is concerned, we have got a big amount of cases coming on from the rural sector for asthma, and that too in the harvesting season. To sum it all, in spite of the best of developments, we should have a tendency and the technology and acceptance to take our best efforts to the very part of the India where the heart of India resides, yet it is a long, long way to go. Like the army and defense personnel, if drastically perks and amenities and facilities for doctors are increased, if they take an initiative to work in the rural area, I think it will entrust us more to at least go off and on and give our valuable services. That's all, ladies and gentlemen, I have to speak for you. I think there are much more learned people to whom I would like to listen. Thank you. Jai Hind.
In the category, the best allergologist and immune therapist in Bihar and Jharkhand 2019, the award goes to Dr. Gautam Modi. Please welcome Dr. Gautam Modi on stage, who is here to receive his award and his certificate of recognition.
I'm Dr. Gautam Modi. I am a practicing allergy specialist from Patna and the only allergy specialist representing from the state of Bihar and Jharkhand. Yeah.
आप यहाँ nominated हैं, how are you feeling?
It's really fantastic to get recognized for the so-called good work we do. And बहुत अच्छा लगता है, you get motivated to perform all the better. And health sector से आप आते हैं तो you concentrate on daily basis on further elevation and betterment of the services we provide to the people.
सर आप आगे ऐसे डॉक्टर हैं उनके लिए क्या कहना चाहेंगे, हम कैसे काम करना है इस क्षेत्र में?
बहुत ही कठिन फील्ड है ये, क्षेत्र है, खासकर एलर्जी, जिसमें दिन प्रतिदिन निरंतर आविष्कार हो रहे हैं, आगे बढ़ रहे हैं लोग। तो जो भी लोग इसमें आना चाहते हैं वो सोच करके आए कि सेवा भाव ज़रूर होना चाहिए। और अब के समय में जितनी जागरूक जनता हो गई है और जितनी अपेक्षाएं हमसे रहती हैं तो उनको पूरा करने की हिम्मत भी होनी चाहिए, ताकि इलाज के साथ साथ उनके सवालों का हम संयम रखते हुए सही जवाब दे सकें। वो जानना चाहते हैं कि उनके साथ क्या हो रहा है। सो यही चीज़ है। And it's an honor to be here in this conclave. I hope more and more people come to know about it, get recognized and do the better job.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you. Thank you.